Hello, this is Jim Kaufman with Rankin Technical College. So this video is about the hands-on test, JS Hot 2. Just kind of wanted to go over that a little bit for you. So what this hands-on test is about debugging. It's about finding some errors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Inside Rankin, and inside Rankin you have this rubrics there, and also there's a zip file, right? So go ahead and download that zip file and unzip that into your JS Hot 2 directory, okay? Then open up that in Visual Studio. So first I just wanted to mention, so you got a few different files in here. The only one you really care about is the index.html file, okay? It does use the styles, but you're not going to mess with that. And these other ones, don't worry about those as well. These were just created when this original assignment was created, so just kind of ignore them. The only one you really care about is the index.html file. And I kind of did want to, I'll go ahead and mention, as you can see, this doesn't say HTML, but it will still work. So HTML was the way that Microsoft used to that is the extension that they used to use for HTML files. But as time has changed, it's standardized that HTML is the correct format. But it'll still work. So just kind of want to mention what that means. So you have this file here, and you're going to be making changes in here to this file to get this application to work. And the way this thing looks is, let me bring that over just real quick. So you can just right click and do view in live server. So here's the basic application. Okay. Right now, if you go ahead and click things and that, it will not work. It's broke. All right. So you're going to make changes to make this work. And there's going to be two different kinds of changes. Some are going to be syntax errors, and some are going to be logic errors. So let's go ahead and get back to the assignment here. So, just make sure you read this carefully. There's a couple things. There's at least one thing here that's in here that's important, that if you miss it, you're going to miss at least one of the things to correct here, okay? So just a hint to kind of read over this before, you complete this. Read it over at the beginning and read over it later on, okay? So the first thing it says talks about declaring declare and call a dollar function. And this is kind of the generic name for a function. You can just call it dollar, right? I know we've already seen that. So you're going to go ahead and do that and use that as part of your solution. So real quick on that, kind of wanted to bring up. So in here, let me bring this up. Hold on.